头 means head. 头疼吗？对 that's right. So now you're a doctor. Can you try to ask me 2 sentences to ask me if I heard or not? That's right. It means your head is painful. 我头不疼。好 maybe I can ask you 你头疼吗？ That's right. 好 and here if you want to say another one, so what question you will ask most? So maybe stomach or wounds. Oh, okay, I understand this. So if you are hurt, there is a wound here, right? Huh? Still. You need to bend out here. 伤口。对，好，sorry. Yes. 对 ，yeah. 伤口疼吗？疼吗？对 ，cause in yes. 好 ，so maybe I can ask you, 你伤口疼吗？ Oh, you do not need. Do you need to say ma? Cause ma is a question. Yes. So have a try again. 伤口疼吗？好 ，That's right. Cause I think very in nowadays, cause many people are just not so focused or not pay attention to eat very healthy way. So maybe sometimes your stomach will hurt so much. The stomach in Chinese you can say 胃 That's right. Yes. Oh, did I spell it right? Okay. Okay. So for example, 你胃疼吗？ That's right. And you need to be careful about the pronunciation of no is 不 the last tone. Yes. 好 ，OK. 很好 ，OK. So now maybe let's do a role play. I'm the doctor, and you are my patient. I'll ask you some questions. So just start from the beginning. 你好吗 ？Yes. 你头疼吗？好，你胃疼吗？好，你伤口疼吗？很好 ，so you are very healthy now. So maybe you ask me because you are the real doctor. 哦，我很好。Oh no, try again. Sorry. 我不好。我伤口很疼。我胃不疼。Good. Oh, how about my head? 我头很疼。Didn't sleep well last night. Okay, so for this one, actually for this sentence structure, if you know more more words new more words about your body, so you can ask more questions, and still you can ask how long have you heard people, so you will know more and ask it patient. Hope today's lesson will be useful for you. Do you have any questions about this one? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。